These are the Aquarium Water 8-in-1 water test strips. I got these because I am cycling a new tank, so it will test for chlorine, nitrite, nitrate, hardness, total alkalinity, pH, sodium chloride, and ammonium nitrogen. So how this works is you have the colors right here. It's all color coded and highlighted to show you where the parameters are that you want your water at for you to be able to have a healthy tank and surviving fish. So as you can see, these are the two test strips. One has 7 testing, the other one has 1. And the one with the 1 is the ammonium. So you stick you stick the thing in here, the test strip, for about 2 seconds, lay it flat for about 15 seconds, and you'll have your results. This one takes about 2 to 3 minutes. So you put this in for about 2 to 5 seconds, depending however long you want to put it in, and that one needs to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. So that one's for the ammonia. The other ones, you get your results relatively quickly. And what you do is, so this is the instructions right here. It tells you not to shake off the excess water and just leave it for 30 seconds, and then you will be able to see your results depending on the color of the squares. And you can compare these to the colors on the bottle, which is really nice because now you don't have to go looking for anything else. So as you can see here, I mean, my aquarium has been cycling for about 2 days at this point, so it's really not going to be anything that we need to look at right now. Same with the ammonia. It shouldn't have much of anything in it because it's pretty much just water at this point. So as the cycling of the aquarium goes on, it'll definitely start to change color. But for now, it's just pretty simple, and I'm really happy with these test strips.